In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate consistent images with Magnific AI Mobile. If you want a series of images that look like they belong together, same character, style, or vibe, this workflow will help you lock in that look while still letting you change scenes, poses, or details. First, open the Magnific AI app on your phone. Make sure you've got a solid internet connection so your generations don't stall. From the home screen, head to the Work section at the bottom. This is your project hub where you'll see past creations and any assets you can build from. Find the image you want to use as your baseline. This should be something that clearly reflects the style or subject you want to keep consistent. Tap the image to open it, then tap Use. You'll see the option to use as reference. Select that. Using an image as a reference tells Magnific to analyze its style, colors, composition, and character traits, so your next output follows the same visual language. It won't copy the image, instead it guides the model so results feel like part of the same set. Next, type your prompt and tap Generate. Be explicit about what should stay the same and what can change. For example, keep the same character and art style but switch the setting or pose. Use clear descriptive language and avoid contradictory cues because the model balances your text with the reference image. Generation times can vary. If it's taking a while, simply go back and tap Work at the bottom to keep an eye on progress and view the result as soon as it's ready. When it appears, open it and compare it to your reference. Look for consistent facial features, color grading, and overall mood. If it's drifting, refine your prompt for clarity or choose a stronger baseline image and use it as a reference again. Tiny wording tweaks, like reinforcing the same style or character details, often make a big difference. That's the full flow. Open Magnific AI, go to work, pick your image, use it as a reference, write a focused prompt, generate, and review your result from work. Follow this and you'll produce cohesive, repeatable visuals across your projects.